I've seen this happen so many times. Staring at a blank worksheet. Sometimes all you're trying to do is build a simple report. There was a time I saw a colleague literally type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way to 50 just to create a simple attendance sheet. That is not cool. There are a couple of presets built into Excel to enable you build your spreadsheets much faster. For example, if I wanted the days of the week to populate a weekly sales data, all I need to do is type Monday in any cell and use the autofill handle to complete it without having to type everything. If you do not know what the autofill handle is, it's the thick black sign that appears on the bottom right corner of the cell. Same concept applies for months. I don't even need to start from January. It could be any month. I could even type the short form and Excel knows how to autofill it for me. How cool is that? Similar concept applies to autofill for numbers. I like to think of it as having to determine the first two sequences for Excel to follow. For example, if I want to make a list of 1 to 100, I'll just type the first two numbers, select them and allow Excel to complete the process. Same way if I wanted to create a data set in multiples of 30 up to 360 for a data list maybe, I'll just type 3060, highlight them and allow Excel to autofill the rest, saving me a lot of time. I'm sure you get where this is going, right? So, if I wanted to input values in multiples of 10 or 1000, I'm sure you know what to do. Try this out and give us feedback. It even gets more interesting with autofill and dates. I can input any date and allow Excel to auto-increment the days for me. No? You wanted to increase the month instead? Simple. How about the years? Very simple as well. You can autofill the weekdays even, leaving out the weekends if you need to. And it can be done in any direction that you want. Super cool, right? For the last tip of the day, let me take you into the backstage view of how these presets come about. In that view, you get to appreciate the true potential of autofill. In that setting, you would find the presets that we've used so far and how they come about, and even the ability to create your own customized presets. So if there's a list that you use quite frequently in Excel, you can actually save them here and Excel will reproduce it anytime you want to. So now watch this. If I frequently create a report based on the 16 regions of Ghana, I could just copy and update the list of presets, and anytime I type one of the regions in Excel, it will recall all the remaining regions in one click. And guess what? Anytime you save a preset, it's available for you to use in any other worksheet and not just this particular worksheet that you created it in. That will be all for today. If you learned something new from this tutorial, please share so others can also learn. If you have any challenge trying out any of these tips, please feel free to contact us. We'll be more than glad to assist you. Nunya Afari is the name, aka Mr. Cool. I always say work smart, not hard. See you on the next one. Cool?